Hey, I'm Kevin. Thanks for joining me. We're back for day 3. Today we're going to check out another strumming pattern, spend some more time playing with the metronome, having fun with our baritone. So let's get to it. Hey, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and click that alert bell so you know when the next video is coming your way. If you're interested in more learning resources, head over to AllForUke.com where we have a full searchable library of songs, song sheets, practice tracks, worksheets, and more. All for you, AllForUke.com. Today we're going to take a look at a pattern in 4/4. So let's go through this pattern now. I'm going to hold down a B minor chord here while I demonstrate. And the pattern goes down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So when we count that, we're going to count 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So we do our down strum, followed by a go strum, so we come back up, and then everything else is just 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's play that now with a single chord with a metronome and just get a little time of practice with this new pattern. So let's keep our B minor in place here. Now we're going to strum this at 80 beats per minute. The metronome, I'll give you a 4 count in. Just really focus on staying relaxed, keeping that strumming hand moving. Try to make sure all of these strumming hits are even, keeping that sound nice and balanced. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and just feel that metronome. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. All right, so I've got a beautiful sounding little progression here for our next exercise. We're going to start off on our B minor chord, and then we're going to move over to a D major 7. D major 7, we just play by barring the bottom 3 strings on the 2nd fret. So to kind of make this switch easier, you could keep this bar down on the 2nd fret the entire time and play your ring finger on the G string of the 4th fret, your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and just take those chords and just take those fingers off when you play. So you have the B minor, and you can switch right to that D major 7 really easy. Or if you feel like it, you can just switch back and forth. It's up to you. So we're going to do this one at 90 beats per minute here. I'll give us a 4 count in. We'll play the chord 2 times through the pattern each. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and switch. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and. A couple more times. Time. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. If you're digging the sound of my uke, head over to allforuke.com/shop. You can have a Kala ukulele for yourself. When you buy your Kala ukulele through AllForUke, you're supporting us, and we really appreciate it. Make sure you check it out. Concerts, sopranos, tenors, baritones, a wide selection of accessories, capos, and more. All for you, allforuke.com/shop. So now we're going to add a couple more chords to the progression and bump up the tempo. So again, we're going to start off here with B minor. We'll move to D major 7, and then we're going to go up here and play an E minor. So that's just going to be our middle finger here on the D string of the 2nd fret. And then we finish off with an F sharp 7, where we bar the entire 2nd fret and put our middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. So as we go through this progression, because we're using a combination of bar chords and open chords, I'm going to show you a little trick here. Again, you can bar behind this the B minor chord. You can bar behind that if you want to make this switch easier. And then when you move up to the E minor, all is cool. And when you get over here to the F sharp 7, and you have to come back to B minor, you can play this B minor in its place which if you look at it, we're still playing the same chord here. All I've done is move my ring finger up to the D string and put my pinky on the G string. So I'm just playing the full B minor chord shape here. So if you see me do this in the video, that's what I'm doing. You can try this, or you can simply go back to the 3-finger version. So we're gonna do this at 100 beats per minute. I'll give us a 4 count in 2 times per chord. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3. E minor. Here comes that dominant 7. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. What a nice switch. Feel that tension. Ooh. Here we go again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Kind of sounds like Hotel California a little bit. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. One more time. Keep up the endurance. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 1. Well, thanks for joining me today. I have more resources at AllForUke.com if you want to check out a PDF where I have a couple of different chord progressions, some different metronome markings, and you can really hone in on this pattern. I hope you join me back here for day 4. My name's Kevin. Thank you so much for watching.
Let's get